Hello viewers, welcome back to Yaa Asantewaa's kitchen. To my Ghanaian people, Memawo Akwaba to Yaa Asantewaa's kitchen. You are all welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Today, Yaa Asantewaa is going to make a strawberry milk tea. Let me introduce the ingredients to you. Strawberries, strawberry jam, light cream, jasmine tea, milk, rum, syrup, some ice cube. First, I'm going to take one jasmine tea bag into the cup and pour some hot water in. Leave it there for some time. The next part is wash your strawberries. Cut it into pieces. You just cut it into half. After cutting the strawberry, I'm going to mash the strawberry. Guys, I'm going to mash the strawberry. I'm going to take half first. Mash it until it's juicy. Next part is add the milk into the tea. So I'm going to take the tea bag away. Pour some milk into the tea. Some syrup. Now the milk tea is finished. Add it into the strawberry. going to add some ice cube. Shake it. Okay, next I'm going to wipe the cream. Guys, the next step is put the cream into the cup. And use the mixer to stir it. Stir it until it's sticky. Now pour the strawberry milk tea into the cup. And pour the cream on the top. This is the strawberry milk tea for today. Tastes good. I love strawberry all the time. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a comment below. My dad said, see you next time.